Namaste Gurukulian, I hope all of you are fit and fine at your home. So welcome back after a long time. So today dear student, we are here physical education chapter 5 children and sports. Children and women in sports. It is for plus 2 class. In this chapter, in the beginning, we will talk about the development, means motor development, how motor development take place in the individual, and after that different type of stages of the child, how a child grow and in which stage which type of motor development take place. After that some disabilities like kyphosis, we can say spinal curvature, flat foot, knock knee, bow leg, pigeon chest, like this. And in the last part we will talk about the women's participation of women's in sports, or which type of difficulty women's are facing during the games and sports, especially related to their body, we can say biological, and other hand side social, how society not giving the proper chance to the females to take participation in the games and sports. Okay, or with that we will do with the biological things. We will talk about the menstrual cycle, a very important thing for the females when they entered in adolescence period, especially female. On that time they are facing the problem of menstrual cycle, or sometime it go normally, sometime it become abnormal cause of some hormonal change. All things we will discuss in this chapter. So in the beginning, first we will talk motor development. Motor development. Development, two type of tone are there. If we talk about the in Haryanvi tone, it is development, otherwise development. Okay, motor development means when a child take birth. After birth, he is not ready to walk or run. In the beginning, what he is doing, he is moving his arms, legs. Always one thing remember, that development in child. Development means learn the thing. Learn the things and change in behavior. Change in behavior. Change in behavior, it is called the development, or always growth or development. Growth we can say means improving in size, increasing the body weight, the shape of bone changed. Okay, the facial expression, we can say mustache come, that is known as the growth. But other hand side, if we talk about the development, means how new things he is learning through his experience, through his through the environment, through the family, through the peer groups, means friend circle. Okay, or always that development take place head to toe, we can say head to toe. I will explain, like when a child take birth, in the beginning what happen, he start moving his arms, legs. After that, when he grow up, means after 1 month, 2 month, he start moving or looking here and there, means stimulus means उत्तेजक, कहाँ से कोई movement हो रही है, he start looking at these things. He start learning the voice of the mother, means those are around him. Especially first connection of the child become very deep with the mother. In the beginning, he start maintaining, or we can say balancing his head. Okay, his head means maybe he is lay down, but he is controlling his head, and with the help of that pivot joint, he start looking here and there. Something happening left side, then he start looking at left side, something happening to right side, like this. After that, he starts sitting, means he start controlling the muscle of that abdominal plus that chest area, back muscles, they are becoming strengthened, or he starts sitting, or he start controlling his head, but that movement of arms continuously going on. Usually you also know, I also know, in the end child start using his legs, means how to stand. At first he start he take help for the standing position, he take help of any object, bed, chair, table. Okay, then after that he start moving 1-2 step, then again he fall down. This process a child do again and again, or it is for them, it is a biggest motivation for us to move forward in our life, because when we walking is a aim for a child, he wants to walk, he want to go here and there, but to learn how to walk thousands of time he fall down, again he get up, then walk, then fall down, again he get up, then start walking. Like this he start learning the walking. So it is a motivational, means our starting is also very struggling, or that living a long life, it is also a very struggle work. So head to toe, then he start walking, he start maintaining the legs. Okay, so after some time he start running also. The activity which are improving in the individual, like maintaining the head, maintaining the abdominal area, maintaining the legs movement, what is it is known as the motor development. Motor development. Two type of motor development are there, two type. Development. Dear student, one is gross motor development. Gross motor development. Second one is fine motor development, yeah, development. Okay, gross motor development. When a child moving or maintaining arms or legs, maintaining this abdominal area, okay, means controlling the activity. In the beginning individual arms go here and there. Suppose if I told you, I give you example, when we are throwing something, where we want to throw the ball, exact ball will not go there, but after some practice we start throwing a throw at sharp area, we can say where we want to throw, easily we can throw the ball there. What is this? Like in the beginning I am throwing the ball, that is known as the gross motor development. Big muscles are involved in the activity. Big muscles we can say like walking, all the quadriceps muscle, hamstring muscle, glutes muscle, gastrocnemius muscles, all are involving. It is known as the gross motor development. If I talk about the rotating the arms, then deltoid muscle, pectoralis major, latissimus dorsi, all muscles are taking participate in the activity. This activity is known as the gross motor development. This thing you have to remember, when there is a large muscles are involving in the activity, it is known as the gross motor development. But when slowly after practice, when we become the sharp in the activity, suppose in the beginning a child writing on a notebook, he is circling here and there because his muscles are not maintained, means what is the order come from the mind, that is not maintaining the arm. But after some time what happened, he start writing easily with the help of finger muscles, that is known as the fine motor skills. Means when our movement become controlled, which type of movement we have is demanding from outside, that movement is shown by the individual, or it is known as the fine motor development. Each and every game depend on this law. In the beginning, gross motor development, after practice, fine motor development, means become sharp, become good, better, best in the activity. That is known as the fine motor development. Rotating the arm, gross motor development. Writing with a pen, it is known as the fine motor development. Suppose wickets are there, I am throwing a throw, but throw go here and there, not proper to the hand of the keeper, but after practice I am throwing the ball to the hand of the keeper, it is known as the fine motor development. Even large muscles are involving activity, but simply we can say like throwing a throw, it is a gross motor development according to the muscle. But when we become perfect in this, we can say it is a fine motor development, means small muscles. Suppose in the beginning I am a individual or a child rotating his legs, walking with legs, but when he got control over the finger of feet, means this, what I want to do, I am doing, it is known as the fine motor development. So remember these two difference, gross motor development and fine motor development. Both things are under the development. Okay. In the beginning gross motor, after that become fine motor development. It is the main concern, main thing in the motor development. After this we will do the stages, different stages of the child. Growing stages means childhood, adolescence, like this. Okay. So for this part, this much. In next part we will discuss the stages. Thank you.